Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday, new beginning of the week. Happy MLK Day. So we are out here. I wasn't planning on working today, but I had this lead come in. This is Mike. He's put in his property. It's already on the market. So he said, Courtney, I had the walls painted. Now I just want to get the floor spruced up, make them look better for sale. So what we're going to be doing, guys, we're here in Gainesville. So I never came out to do an in-home consultation. He sent me pictures. He also sent me the measurements, and I gave him a price. He said, let's do it. All right. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a screen and recoat. Not going to be doing the UV cure because, again, he said he is moving out. So let me show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are out here in Gainesville, Georgia. It's about a 45-minute ride from the shop, and I'll show you what we got going. So that's Mike right there. So these are the floors right here, all through here. We got this kitchen area here, all through here. Okay. So the floors definitely need some, some tender loving care. So what I'm doing, I'm just testing some of my pads. So I'm starting back here. So it was a total of 1,486 square feet. Screen and recoats, $250 a square foot. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Put the house on the market, had to make it shine. Whoa. 500 square feet, brought them flows back to life. Hey, 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 hey. No sanding, no dust, just that Truman touch. One day recoat, yeah, we do it right, no rush. Whoa. Found me on Google, read the reviews first, watched the videos, knew the quality was certain. Screen and recoat, made them floors pop again. Client smiled heavy, said, man, these look brand new, my friend. Gainesville, Georgia, another win in the books. Same day results, yeah, the proof's in the look. When it's time to sell and you need that glow, you already know Truman's the go-to.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Mike just shook my hand and told me he's a very happy man. So here we go, guys. Final results. Floors came out great. Now, again, Mike does have his house on the market, and this is going to make a nice home for somebody because this is a very spacious house and it is sitting on a lot of acres. But the floors came out great. Wow. So, how many acres is the house sitting on, Mike? 11 acres? 11 acres, guys. Let me just show you the backyard, guys. Look at this. Look at this right. So Mike is actually going to be moving to the Tampa area, and got a nice pool back there. Got the palm trees. 11 acres. Yeah, he said, Courtney, I found you on Google. I read a lot of your reviews. I watched a few of the videos, and that's when I decided to give you a call. Oh, it's beautiful out here. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. We're going to head back into the office, and then tomorrow we got 2 consultations and a marble countertop to do that was recommended to me. Also, too, when we leave here, we have to stop at look at a stone showers and floors in Decula. And then I might be going to Houston, Texas to save an engineered floor from being replaced. So got to come up with the game plans. I want to talk to the owners of the house, because if we get this job it would definitely be next Tuesday. It's going to be a 3-day because 1 day driving there, do the job, rest up, and then drive back. And oh wow, this looks really good, really good. So Mike is actually a original Georgian. He grew up in the Buckhead area. So, and then remember here, guys, it was just so soiled, so man, it looks so much better. All right, now again, we do have a water stain right here, or either a pet stain that would only come out with a full sanding, and my clients do understand that. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.